Hey guys, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today I am checking out the Ugreen FineCam Pro 4K AI webcam. Let's check this out and see if this can level up your video quality needs. This webcam looks like a mini GoPro and features a 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, powered by an 8 megapixel sensor, which already puts it ahead of most built-in laptop cameras. As you can see here, the difference is interesting. It looks more sharper, but also a little bit more saturated. Equip touch-free gesture control. Use intuitive hand gesture to enable AI framing or zooming out instantly. Stay focused on your content without interrupting the flow. Now, what I really like here is the AI-powered features. You get auto light correction and intelligent exposure, which means even if your lighting is not perfect, maybe you are in a dim room or backlit, the camera automatically adjusts to keep your image clean and bright. That's amazing, especially if you don't want to deal with lighting setups every time you jump on a call. Another important feature is the PDAF autofocus system. This is not your typical slow webcam autofocus. This one actually tracks you smoothly and keeps you sharp even if you move around a bit. So if you are presenting, teaching, or streaming, this makes a big difference. This product includes 7 built-in filter modes that recreate classic photography tones. Now let's talk about the audio. The CM930 comes with the dual built-in microphones, and they are designed to capture your voice clearly from a distant distance. This product features automatic AI noise reduction technology, which efficiently minimizes background noise to the greatest extent. 2121212 MacBook Pro microphone. Of course, if you are doing professional content, I will still recommend using an external microphone. But for meetings, quick recordings, or travel setup, this will be just great. Design-wise, it has a built-in privacy cover, which is something many people always like to see. Just slide it and it will be closed. Simple, but very important. Also, setup is super easy. This is plug and play, no drivers needed. It works with pretty much everything: Mac, Windows, Linux, and all your apps like Zoom, Skype, YouTube, and streaming platforms. And I like that it comes with USB-A and USB-C compatibility, so you don't have to worry about the adapters. Now, in terms of real-world use, this is where it really shines. If you are working remotely, doing online meetings, creating YouTube content or streaming, this camera gives you a noticeable upgrade without getting into expensive DSLR setups. So overall, the Ugreen CM930 AI 4K webcam delivers sharp 4K image, gesture recognition control, smart AI adjustments, reliable autofocus, and super easy usability, all in compact and affordable package. If you want a clean look without complicated setups, consider checking this out. I will leave the link in the description below. Make sure to check it out to get a discount. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.